Yes, and we're going to need to stay bundled up for much of the 10-day forecast. Below normal temperatures ahead. Let's take a look at the big picture. Get over to the key wall. High pressure, Arctic high pressure that came out of the Canadian prairies. Now moving into the nation's midsection in the wake of one storm system on the east coast and the next one shaping up in the west. That's going to be a more southern storm system that's going to bring snow to the Dallas area and maybe ice up toward Shreveport. We'll get to that in just a bit. At least fair skies across the region. That pressure gradient tight though today, so the winds continue to blow and kept the wind chills in the 30s all day long today after starting out in the lower 20s this morning. And we're going to see wind chills again tonight in the lower 20s. So we have cold weather advisories for much of the Gulf South for more of that cold stuff as well. Now, as we head into tomorrow, after a cold start, we'll see temperatures again in the mid 40s. We won't have as much wind. We're still going to have a little bit of a breeze, but wind is going to ease up a little bit as high pressure gets a little bit closer to us. Then moving into Wednesday, a little bit of a different story with cloud cover coming in, maybe a few sleet pellets in the air, but nothing that's going to stick to the ground. So rain chance Wednesday no higher, or precipitation chance no higher than 10% Wednesday, but it goes up late Thursday. Here's the storm system developing in the Gulf of Mexico, a wintry mix across deep South Texas from San Antonio on northeastward, and then snow. If you have a trip going through DFW Thursday or Friday, forget about it. It's going to be a big snowfall and then an ice storm to the south. For us, it's going to be mostly rain, so we bring in the Euro model to show how things are going to flesh out, and there's going to be some locally heavy rains. Hopefully they stay just offshore, but I'm thinking 1 to 2 inches of rain, but it'll be cold rains. We'll be in the mid to upper 30s to lower 40s, so just disgusting weather. Much rather have snow and just everybody stay off the roads, but we're not going to get that. That low pushes off to the east, and then the snow and the precip move out of the way, and then hopefully setting up for a better looking weekend ahead. Here's the snow forecast based on the Euro model, and we're talking 6 to 12 inches, maybe isolated more from the Dallas area up through Oklahoma into Arkansas. You're going to see good snows in the Arkansas mountains, and then more importantly, this could be a crippling ice storm for portions of northeast Texas. Right now, the model keying in on Tyler, northeast Texas, up through the Shreveport area, and look at these ice totals. Better than an inch of ice? That is crippling, so we'll be watching for that as well. Around here locally, when the rain starts, it's probably going to be mixed in with some sleet pellets, but nothing that's going to accumulate, so don't get your hopes up for winter weather here. Maybe the forecast will change, but likely not. Upper 20s overnight tonight for the northern parishes of Acadiana, again below freezing for 8 to 10 hours, 29 to 30 I-10 corridor, and much the same the coastal parishes. And then for tomorrow, we'll see readings getting back into the mid 40s for tomorrow afternoon, but less wind will make it not feel quite as cold, but certainly jacket and sweater weather will continue. And those wind chills again tomorrow morning, lower 20s pretty much across the board, so bundle on up. Let's get into the 10-day forecast. Again, freezing temperatures tonight, tomorrow morning, and then again for Wednesday morning, and then rain chances sparking up as we head into Thursday afternoon and evening, 100% Thursday night, and as we indicated, maybe some sleet to start off, but nothing that's going to accumulate. We'll be above freezing, and then soaking rains overnight Thursday, ending Friday, hopefully setting us up for a pretty nice weekend. But we're not done with the freezes. Perhaps another light freeze comes Saturday night. Next week, a little unsettled as well. But look at the temperatures. Not one day do we have 70 degrees in that 10-day forecast, and that is a rarity, but it is January after all. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more later on.